So we're boiling some water right now, cause I'm about to finally try and finish these. I'm trying to make a black version of these, and they keep coming out navy, cause I'm not doing the proper things. So we about to get to dyeing in here. So I'm just waiting for this water to get boiling. Once it boils, we're good to go. I'm trying to get them from a mid blue to like a black, deep black, so I can have like that version to see if I want to make them in production. We're just waiting on this water to boil up and we're good. This water hot as hell. Damn, there's some like pink or some shit in there. Damn. I low-key can't put that on my garment. Oh, that's from the shit I dyed last. Wow, I'm sick. Alright, so I gotta reboil water. Alright, better. So that's clean water. We got the pot boiling. These are the pants we about to dye. Try and get them turned black. You know what I'm saying? My first drop. They was light blue. They basically like an indigo right now, but I want them like jet black. Got a new a new pot boiling of water. So this will be ready in a minute. Now we're gonna use this vinegar and soap. That's just to help to break down the fibers a little bit more of the pant and allow the dye to be accepted. Alright, here we go. This is the third time trying to dye these successfully, so wish me luck. Right now they look pitch black, but that's how they've looked the past 2 times too. So I'm like, is they gonna stay black? Is they playing with my emotions? You know? So this time we're gonna use the dye fixative. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I know I got the water hot enough because the water was on the stove boiling. Alright. I know I got the right shade because this little poker stick thing is black as hell. It's a clean garment because I've cleaned it 3 times in a row because it hasn't been a successful dye. This time should be the one. I just want them to come out all black. It shouldn't be that difficult. You want to keep the garment moving for at least the first 10 minutes. 15, 20 if you can manage to, because you don't want to have no pockets of like discoloration. You want everything to be even. You don't want to have little sections where there's like weird lines. You just want to keep moving everything around. Don't let nothing sit for too long. You get funny lines, funny colors, funny patterns. You don't want that. Just make sure you keep moving it. Submerge it and then do it again. Once you had it submerged, lift it up out the water and then do it again. This is just to make sure that no places of the pant are sitting, at least for them first 10, 15 minutes. So you can take a little break. Set up the pot for the fixative. Basically, you're gonna put the fixative in here, in a different pot, and then transfer the garment to this bucket when you're ready. Like this. This you want to be cold water. The reason you want to use a smaller pit when you do the colored dye fixative, because you don't want to allow as much liquid. You want all that fixative to go to the garment. So you want to get a pit that just fits your garment. So I'm just poking this some more. Keep it moving. I got my fixative right here. So I'm ready to go. As soon as I take it out of this, it's going right into the fixative. I just gotta mix up the fixative. Like I said, you wanna give the dye about 30 minutes to sit. You could probably go longer if you want to. I'm not trying to make this an all night thing. I'm just uploading YouTube vids, so normally while I'm uploading is when I work on clothes. Yeah, this one's gonna be it, guys. Let me see if I can show you the original pant. So the original pant is somewhere here. Long story short, it's like a light denim. It's in the garage, I think. But yeah. So we're just waiting on this. I gotta put the stuff in there. Let's do that now. See, it says so I'm gonna use a half bottle, basically. If you can see where it says bucket, sink or bucket, it says basically for every whatever to use a half bottle. I'm gonna use that. We're gonna go half bottle on the fixative. That'd be like Tris. It looked like Tris too, but yellow. I don't know, that's the thing. I don't know if you gotta mix it up or what. And I'm really thinking these jeans are about done. It's all the way submerged in there. Meaning all the sides should be affected the same, all the tops, bottoms, you know? Remember, this is the third time dyeing these. I'm going by the book. Doing everything like overly proper. So I shouldn't need the full time. I'm pretty sure these are jet black. I'm going into the dye fixative now. You're gonna lift up. Just let it drain at least. So you don't got all of the extra in there. See? I can see the hints of the blue coming back in when I even wring it out like that. So I'm gonna let it submerge again for a second and then just put it right into the fixative with all the dye without wringing it out. Alright. We're gonna go into the fixative. I'm gonna finish letting it drip. Like I said, I'm not gonna wring it out. I'm just gonna let it drip. But I guess the more dye that's in the fixative, the better, right? So I'm doing cold water on the fixative, hoping that it will retain the colors a little bit better. I'm not doing too much squeezing either. So we got this sitting in the fixative. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know how long you're supposed to sit it in here. So we're gonna go, how long for color dye fixative? All right, 20 to 30 minutes. 20 minutes. Rinse it with cool water. 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Oh, alright, color dye fixative. You're supposed to use it in hot water. I used it in cold. So I did that wrong. Oops. 20 minutes. Stir. Yep, so you gotta stir it for 20 minutes. Alright, so we figured out everything. You're supposed to let it sit for 20 minutes. No, not sit. You're supposed to move it around again for another 20 minutes. And you're supposed to use warm tap water with the fixative. So I did wrong. I did cold tap water. It looked like it did the job though. Cause I figured you wash with cold water, so you would rinse. You would let this sit in cold water so that the colors don't bleed out while you're trying to do the fixative thing. Or maybe you want to use hot water so that the fixative is getting into the fibers. That's probably what it is, y'all. Okay. So what I'm saying is, it is supposed to be warm water. 20 minutes is the time, and you is supposed to keep moving it around. So, if I had to say to do a pair of jeans, next time I would do a container that's a little bit bigger than this. Just so the garment itself, I didn't know it had to move around. But just so the garment itself has more room to move around and like sprawl out. Like in this one, I only had to fold it in half one time. That means you're gonna get a pretty good coat, a pretty good job done with your garment. But like I said, I'm trying to keep this moving around. It looks like it's doing good. It's locking in on the colors better than I have seen before. But next time I know this part, you do it with warm water still. Then you rinse with cold water after everything is said and done. 20 minutes on this, and you keep it moving the same way you kept the dye moving. So I got it in there submerged. Let's see if I can show you. Like I said, you just want to keep it moving the same way you kept that one moving. But it's in there, submerged, soaking, you know. So I think I could really see the difference. That's crazy. Now let's pray to God this water don't wash nothing out. Anything that was gonna fall out, fell out in that bucket. Like this water right here, for the most part, is ringing clear. I'm not gonna ring it too crazy hard, but it's ringing clear. Like, they got like the tiniest tint to it, but not really though. Like if I sit here and squeeze the whole garment, damn, barely anything coming out, bro. That's fine. Alright, so the color dye fixative definitely works. I'm about to go put these in the washer. I'm about to put these in the washer with no detergent. I heard that's what you're supposed to do. No detergent on them. I'm not even really trying to wring them out crazy. Like I want to take them pretty saturated like this. Damn, they black. Let's go. I don't even know if y'all could tell, but they are black for sure. I wish I had something black to put on next to in comparison, but I could see the difference between last time I did it. I'm about to get a trash bag. That's gonna make this. No, I can use this pot. Look, I'm gonna bring out upstairs so we can wash this. Made it. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright. They're finished. I ain't gonna lie, they still look navy, bro. But at this point, who cares? I'll probably get the. I don't even know, bro. To be honest, it's like they look black, but they don't. I'm done trying though. I might try with a different pair. Tell you shit, should I throw these in the dryer? Dryer. So the last step, we're gonna go get them out the dryer. See what they look like. See, like they dark, but they definitely navy. It's like the color doesn't want to take up. It took on the other parts, so that's kind of hard. Navy, black, and then with the colors. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. I think they're hard, but they are 110% navy. If you can see the edge, that pretty much dyed black. The navy does not want to cooperate. I'm gonna just let them rock like this though, honestly. See? Look, y'all like, you're not even gonna show what they look like? Chill, gang, I'm about to try them on right now. Excuse me. I get some privacy? I'm saying, trust, the fit gonna be good every time. It's just, I did want them to be black, but I kind of like the fade. I'll be honest with you. A little crop tee and you're good. You know what I'm saying? I fake like them.